Hello lovelies, I'm Muna and welcome to On the Glow, your guide to skincare, beauty, and wellness. In this segment, it's all about that glow, playing with golden copper eyeshadows, giving me a natural radiance and romantic look for any occasion. It's a simple look using very minimal luxury skincare and makeup products. Before we start, I'd love for you to connect with me and show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Let's get glowing. I'll start by prepping my face before makeup with skincare. I find it important for me to apply a great base of skincare so that I'm well hydrated and my makeup can sit clean on my skin. I'm applying Korres' Apothecary Wild Rose 15% Vitamin C Spotless Serum. I have to shake this product to mix and activate, and then apply it to my face and neck. For my eyes, I use Korres' Black Pine 3D Eye Lift Super Serum for that hydration, tightness, and lift around my eyes. To lock in that moisture, I use my MDO Intense Hydrating Moisturizer, which has hyaluronic acids to plump and freshen up my skin. Lastly, and most importantly, I use SPF daily. My current fave is Biosannce Squalane and Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. It's non-toxic sun protection. Now let's get into some of my favorite luxury makeup. I start with the under eyes using YSL's Touché Éclat High Cover Radiant Concealer. This color has an orange undertone, good for darker complexions. Using a color corrector is good if you have any darkness or discoloration for underneath the eye area. I then use my favorite Clean Beauty foundation by Westman Atelier. Y'all know I am in love with this. I have 2 shades of the Vital foundation stick that I work with. The slightly lighter one I use to conceal and brighten around my eyes and other areas that I want to highlight. And then I use the foundation that's closer to my skin tone to apply on spots I want to cover. I honestly don't use that much. I still want to look very natural and see the texture of my skin. Okay guys, really, I take any opportunity to wear my Mcgrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Ambition palette. These golds and copper shades are made for me. The textures are so luxurious, soft, and very pigmented. I start off using Throwing Shade for the base. I then apply Copperized on my eyelids, patting down the shade with a firmer brush, and then going in with a blending brush to distribute all over the eyelids. I then use Rodial black eyeliner to further enhance my eyes. I use a hard tip brush to help blend and further shape the liner. Eyebrows are easy and effortless for me. My go-to is Glossier's Boy Brow in Brown. For my lashes, I use Well People's Expressionist Volumizing Mascara. I've used this before for other looks. This one feels so nice on the eyes. It's a flake-free mascara made with organic botanicals, which helps lengthen lashes and hydrate and condition follicles. Sweet, right? As you know, I love to highlight my non-toxic, cruelty-free, clean beauty brands. For my cheeks, I use this cream blush stick by Westman Atelier. It just adds a subtle warmth on my skin, and I can wear this every day. If I haven't shared this with you before, all of Westman Atelier's products are formulated with clean ingredients and contain no parabens, no pegs, no talcs, no fragrances, and no animal testing. They are vegan and they're amazing. I love it. For that sheer cheekbone enhancement, I use Westman Atelier's Lit Up Highlighter in a glassy iridescent. One of their main ingredients is Vitis Vita grape extract to detoxify skin cells and help promote the production of skin's own collagen and hyaluronic acid. I mean, those kind of benefits are a bonus for applying a little makeup, right? Now that I'm all dressed up, I'll apply the finishing touches. I use Kē-yar Wīse's Sheer Matte Powder Bronzer with no talc. This is another clean beauty brand that I love. Lastly, a light touch of coral from French beauty brand Guerlain's Kiss Kiss Lipstick Collection in Sexy Coral. That's my sun-kissed, easy glowing look with the copper tone gaze. As you can see, I've used very minimal luxury beauty products. I hope you guys enjoy this look. If so, give this video a like, comment down below to share your ideas or feedback, and don't forget to connect with me. Lots of love to you all, and remember, keep glowing.